Namaste friends, I am Ritesh and today our topic is Pincha Mayurasana, that is a feathered peacock pose. Friends, just like a peacock, the way it spans the feather out, this asana is a beautiful showy pose. So in fact, if you want to impress your friends, this is the pose to get into. Most of the time I had really dreamt of doing this pose and it's really an advanced pose. But for that pose, you require a lot of patience and a regular practice. Friends, it builds up confidence. It has an uplifting quality to your spirit and practice. This asana requires strength, flexibility and balance. So friend, it comes into an advanced level forearm inversion. It's also a strengthening pose. So friends, before you do this posture, people with cervical issues should avoid this pose. Also, diabetes, hypertension or high blood pressure, it's a no-no. So just avoid, because it requires a great strength and balance and a good amount of concentration. At the same time, pregnancy or some discharge to the ears, or you have a glaucoma, that is some infection into your eyes, please don't do this pose. And in case you wish to, please do it under a medical supervision or an experienced yoga teacher. Friends, when we talk about a pose that is advanced, that means you require some preparatory practice. It's difficult to do a pose, especially advanced poses like Pincha Mayurasana, without some preparation. So anything where you can strengthen your forearm, like a dolphin pose or a dolphin plank pose, would be great. Some asanas, especially the runner's lunge, the high lunge, would be great where you stretch your hip flexors. Any side stretches would be great because you need to hold this pose for quite a good time, very comfortably. So you can slowly and steadily build up this pose. Friends, now let's get into the pose. But before we start, it's very important that you start as a beginner. So we will start with a very slow and gentle way, and especially using the support of a wall. So a simple way of getting into the pose is, I kneel. I have a wall support, right? So I can let the elbow be on the floor. And I maintain that position very comfortably, very relaxing. Keep your core engaged, keep your glutes engaged, and come back slowly. So that's the way you slowly and steadily get into the Pincha Mayurasana practice. Now let us actually get into the pose. Now, forearm on the floor. And before you get the forearm on the floor, you can interlace it. So you can either use a block, hold that block and do it, but I prefer doing it without a prop. So I press the palm. From here I get into a dolphin pose. Check the neck and shoulders, they are relaxed. From here I lift my left leg up. I maintain. Keep observing your breath. And come back slowly. Relax yourself. Let the breath come back to normal. And breathe. Enjoy the pose. Friends, it's quite an advanced pose. So that's the reason you need to really prepare yourself to get into this pose. It's quite energetic. So that was your Pincha Mayurasana. Friends, it's great for balance, memory and concentration. So friends, that was Pincha Mayurasana. In case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe. And also, if you have any suggestions or comments, please mention in the comment section below. Namaste.